Today we are going to learn A. A. What is this alphabet, children? A. Its name is A. A sounds A. 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 A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for angel. A for apple. A for avocado. A for alligator. Alligator. Alligator will eat you. Yes? What is this, children? Say again. A. A for alligator.
Start.
What is this, children? Slanting line. What is this? Slanting line. One more. Slanting line. Slanting line and slanting line. It makes A. Okay, children? Slanting line and slanting line. Sleeping line. It makes A. Okay?
Start.
Slanting line. From up you have to start. Slanting line. Slanting line. Okay? This is sleeping line. What is this, children? Sleeping line. Slanting line. Slanting line. It's making A. Slanting line. One more slanting line. And sleeping line. Okay? See again. Slanting line. Slanting line. A. A for angel. Okay? Slanting line and one more slanting line. This sleeping line. Let's make A. Slanting line, slanting line and sleeping line. A for apple, aeroplane, ant, avocado, alligator. Two slanting lines and one sleeping line make A. Sharon Yasvika, come once. Write on that. Slanting line from up to down. Slanting line, line and sleeping line. What is this?
A.
Slanting line,
Sleeping line.
A. What is that?
A.
Slanting.
Slanting line. Slanting line. Sleeping line. A.
A for
Aeroplane.
A for
Ant.
A for
Angel.
A for
Apple.
A for
Avocado.
A for.
Alligator. A.
Very good. What is this?
A.
If children are not interested to write in a book, you can use this trick.
Slanting line.
Slanting line.
Sleeping line.
Write again. Okay, write again.
Slanting line. Slanting line. Sleeping line. A.
Okay.
A. Slanting line, slanting line, sleeping line. A.
Very good.
A.